Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva Docs. We'll begin by exploring the intuitive interface, showing you how to navigate and find essential tools. You'll learn to start new documents, whether from scratch or by selecting one of the hundreds of pre-designed templates available. This initial step is crucial for setting up your creative workspace efficiently and effectively. Next, let's dive into creating and editing your document's content. Canva Docs makes it simple to add text, images, and even videos with a few clicks. You can drag and drop elements precisely where you want them, ensuring your design vision comes to life. Explore the extensive library of fonts, graphics, and stock photos to truly elevate your document's visual appeal. Now, let's talk about collaboration and sharing your amazing work. Canva Docs allows you to invite others to view, comment on, or even edit your documents in real time. This feature is perfect for team projects or getting feedback from clients. Once your document is perfect, you can easily export it in several popular formats, such as PDF or Microsoft Word, for broad compatibility. Finally, let's explore some advanced features and helpful tips to maximize your Canva Docs experience. Try Magic Write for AI-powered content generation, helping you overcome writer's block. Integrate your brand kit to ensure consistent colors, fonts, and logos across all your documents. Plus, gain valuable insights into how your documents are being viewed and engaged with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.